You are listening to How to Become Whole with Chris 1.36. Mindfulness and attention to the breath helps you to control the tendency to view things objectively because things are coming from you, not happening to you. It also helps you to control the tendency you have to constantly think about others. Nothing works by itself. We give power to the object. Observe how you sell others. Be tasteful with the things you do to get tasty things. Siddhas are spiritual practitioners that attain powers called cities. Rishis can create universes. Mind expansion and introspection.